Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for June 30th, 2015. It's a Tuesday morning. We have a wide variety of temperatures throughout the region today, this morning, and that is because we have a stalled frontal boundary basically sitting over the northern Atlantic. To the south of that frontal boundary, we have temperatures ranging from the mid 60s to lower 70s, especially along the coast and in your urban areas. We even have a couple upper 50s to lower 60s mixed in along the coast due to some influence from the marine air mass. And then you have temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, associated with a more of a modified polar air mass. So a wide variety of air masses sending up over the northern Atlantic. We have tropical, we have marine, and we have polar. And those three air masses are going to interact throughout the day and tomorrow, leading to the threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms, and my concern for localized flash flooding, especially over the Delaware River Valley, basically eastern PA and western New Jersey. On the latest radar, you can see precipitation focusing over Pennsylvania. Now notice the trend here from southwest to northeast. This trend is going to continue, although it'll shift to the east throughout the day. And so what I'm concerned about are these showers and thunderstorms that redevelop over Virginia and West Virginia and Maryland, and they continue to train over eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey this afternoon and evening, and attempt to push towards the coast. Now, there will be a threat for a severe thunderstorm or two, especially over eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey. But I don't think the threat is going to materialize for the coast, because you're going to have that battle of a marine air mass, it's a more stable air mass right along the coast. So my concern here is that these showers and thunderstorms run up against that boundary and basically aren't able to push further east, but instead train over western New Jersey and over the Delaware River. So we have to watch that very carefully for this afternoon for localized flash flooding. Other than that, by this evening, some of those showers and thunderstorms should push into the coastal regions, but for the most part will remain below severe levels. On the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see that boundary basically stalled out over the northern Atlantic, and then basically you have your marine air mass along the coast, your tropical air mass just to the south of this boundary, and your polar air mass over portions of basically New York and over northeastern Pennsylvania. This warm front will lift north and east today, enhancing some of those showers and thunderstorms, and then this cold front boundary will push this entire boundary off of the coast by tomorrow afternoon, with some clearing skies by tomorrow evening. This cold front is pretty strong with a pretty healthy polar air mass behind it. That's going to knock down temperatures just a bit by the time we get to this upcoming weekend. Looking at temperatures basically averaging near to below normal through this upcoming weekend until we get to about Sunday, where we push to maybe a degree or two above normal for this time of year. On the latest model guidance, we're going to use the GFS model guidance from the National Weather Service. Again, for today, we start out this morning where we do have those showers focusing over eastern Pennsylvania on the GFS guidance. By the time we get to this afternoon, those showers and thunderstorms start to refocus towards eastern Pennsylvania and push towards the coast. Again, we'll have to watch out for the potential for training here. Look for temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 80s for highs. The best potential for those showers and thunderstorms will be over eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey, but watch out for them along the coast as well, especially by the evening hours. Overnight tonight, the first boundary moves through the region with showers and thunderstorms, mostly weak, as we head to the overnight hours, and then on Wednesday afternoon, that cold front moves through with additional showers and thunderstorms. Look for temperatures tomorrow ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and mid to upper 80s for highs. Now, along the coast, look for mid 80s, like 84, 85 degrees. Over the Delaware River Valley, temperatures more likely around 87 to 89 degrees, especially if we get any sun breaking out ahead of this cold front, which could enhance a thunderstorm or two. Not really looking at a widespread severe threat out of this at all, but certainly the potential for some very heavy downpours. By the time we get to Thursday, well, we start to dry out just a little bit. We have a disturbance that will move through, capable of producing a few isolated, widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, but not looking at a washout in any way, shape, or form for the second day of July. Look for temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and lower to mid 80s for highs. pretty much near normal for this time of year. On Friday, as most people will be off by the time we get to Friday, high pressure will attempt to build in. Now, the further you are over the interior, the more likely you'll see just scattered clouds. If you're along the coast, watch out for a few scattered showers and possibly a thunderstorm with that stationary boundary just off the coast. Temperatures on Friday will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows. High temperatures in the mid to upper 70s along the coast and upper 70s to lower 80s over the Delaware River Valley. So certainly below normal for this time of year. And obviously, the further north and west you are, the more likely you will experience high pressure and control with scattered cloud cover. On Saturday, that frontal boundary will again linger around the region with the potential for a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Again, not a washout, but you certainly have to be aware of a threat of a shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon, especially along the coast. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s for lows, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s right along the immediate coast, lower to mid 80s everywhere else, pretty much near normal for this time of year. On Sunday, once again, another wave of low pressure tries to develop along that boundary off the coast. Again, the further inland you are, the more likely you will miss out. If you're along the coast, watch out for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Other than that, look for clear skies with scattered cloud cover. Temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s for lows and high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast and mid to upper 80s over the Delaware River Valley. Not much in the way of humidity, but still slightly above normal for this time of year. On Monday, well, we head back to work, and wouldn't you know it, on Monday, high pressure will attempt to build in and try to stay in place on Monday. Watch out for a few showers and thunderstorms attempted to redevelop towards the evening as a vigorous low pressure system and a strong cold front starts to approach the region by the middle of next week. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows, high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for highs. And again, we'll watch out for that strong cold front for the middle of the week that will likely knock down temperatures once again and produce the potential for some heavy downpours and possibly some severe weather for next Tuesday and Wednesday. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather. And as always, stay safe out there.